What is the advantage of day trading? The advantages of day trading. I love this one. I love this one. Because for me, when I started day trading, at some point I was applying for a job. And then during that interview, that particular job required an actual, let's just say, psychological test to see where your head is or where your mindset is. And at some point, and that particular interviewer asked me, and that was years and years ago, asked me, what do you invest in? And I said, I don't invest. I pay my bills first. I pay my mortgage. I pay my car payment. I pay my debt without, because I don't understand investment, and I don't want to risk my money. And he was baffled. He looked at me like I was an alien from Mars, because he could not believe a guy coming to apply for this particular job saying he does not invest or he does not have anything to do with the stock market. So as I left, of course, I didn't get the job, as you can imagine. As I left, I wondered why he gave me that crazy look. So I started looking into it, and that was the beginning of me going into trading. One of the first things I actually Googled at this day, that day that I came out of his office, what is day trading? What's the advantage of day trading? And this is what I got: advantages of day trading. Quick profit. Day trading gives you the ability to book money on a daily basis. No question asked. You will make money on a daily basis as long as you know how to predetermine your risk and how to take your stops, and you don't have any other conflicting psychological problems that interferes with the trading. For example, I think the book Trading for a Living states that almost all losers in trading business are the people who are very successful in life. Lawyers, doctors, accountants, teachers, whoever these are, they are very bad at trading. Why? Because a lawyer knows how to form the environment to give him what he wants. He does not have to abide by other people. He can manipulate his environment to give him what he wants. In trading, unless you are a hedge fund company and you can literally trade millions of shares at one bar at one moment and create that immediate momentum in the stock, you have to abide. You have to stick with other traders. You depend on the dynamic traders to move that market for you. So when you buy something, understand that you have not moved that stock. Somebody else will move it for you, and that's how you profit from it. So it will give you quick profits if you know how to play the game. Number two, you work for yourself. Oh my God. It is true, but I can tell you it is the one single reason a lot of people struggle with day trading, especially myself. When I started day trading, I was looking for replacement of my income. And let's just say I make $10,000, for example, from my job, for example. I wanted to make $10,000 on continuous basis every single month. Not just that, I broke it down. I said, okay, that means I need to make $400 a day. I need to pull $400 a day from the market every day. That did two things for me. Number one, created psychological pressure that I have to make that money. So when I have a losing day, I'm losing my mind because I'm not just lost my $400 profit, I actually lost another $400 of risk. So that put me 2 days behind. That created that psychological pressure. Now, the good thing that comes out of it, let's just say you put your profit as $400 a day. That is a good starting point, because now you're not really expecting the stock to go to the moon. I love Elon Musk when he says it's gonna go to the moon. So once you hit your $400, you get it. You book your profit, you get out, you go on with your day. So it creates a good expectation. It creates a more of a realistic expectation from the stock market. Number 3, no overnight risk. No overnight risk. Retail traders turn day trades into swing trades almost every single day, and this is a big mistake. If you identify yourself as a day trader, you need to close out that trade, doesn't matter with win or loss that day. If you identify yourself as swing trader, that is fine, that is completely fine, but be honest with yourself and do not turn a day trade into a swing trade. Get into the trade as a swing trade. Set your loss as a daily trade, not intraday trade. Or a swing trade, not intraday trade. This way your stop is going to be bigger. You're not going to get chewed up, and you're not going to move your stop up. You're not going to down. All of this will go away once you put in your mind that you are going into a swing trade, not a daily trade or not intraday trade. Number 4 is, it's not boring. Trading is exciting. I've been doing it for so many years, and I'm so passionate about it today, as passionate as I used to be when I started. It makes you wake up every morning. Unlike any other job with a fixed income, fixed income makes you go to work like bored. Today's like yesterday. There's nothing new. Day trading makes you wake up in the morning and understand that there's something new happening. There's something coming up that has not happened before. There is a potential to make money, just like any other side hustle. I love it. I love the feeling. It just makes me feel alive, and I'm sure it does makes you feel alive as well. Nowadays it has easy access. Let's be honest. If you're trying to apply for a job, you have to go through a whole lot of process. You have to go to interview. You have to work for a full month, not get paid. Sometimes even more. Sometimes you have to go to like internship for 6 months before you see any money coming from that job. Day trading could profit from day one. Matter of fact, most people got into day trading. The way they stayed with it is as soon as they got in, they took a trade and it shot up and they made money. And it becomes, if you made it as easy as it can be, and you ask yourself, why haven't I learned that earlier? But soon enough, of course, you understand this is not as simple as just buying and holding. There's a lot more involved. But what I'm saying is you can make money day one, and there's no other job on this planet gives you money from day one.
Thank you for watching. Share this with friends and family, and please subscribe.